Let's talk about using the prefixes pre. Now, prefixes can be added to the beginning of a base word, like I said yesterday, to create a new word. Now, by knowing the meaning of prefix can help us determine the meaning of a word. With the with the prefixes pre, which means before. Okay. Now, the prefixes pre mean before, so this helps us determine that you are more likely to read a preprint of a book before the book is published. So preprint is something that has not yet been printed for the public. So this question here, when might you reprint a print of a book? Which means uh before. So before the book is published. So that's when you might be preprint. When so that's when you might read a preprint of a book. Okay. Now let's practice. Why would you pre-order a book? Because it hasn't been released yet. So you read a pre-order a book. Same thing goes. What does a basketball team complete its pre-game warm-up? Okay. Right before the games begin. It's a warm-up, so it must be before the game, of course. Now, what helps prevent a cold? By washing our hands frequently. Now, a lot of word with the prefixes pre we have used quite a lot, so it's kind of like a very easy questions. Why might football team want to play preseason games? To get some practice ahead of the upcoming season, because it haven't happened yet, so it's before. Preheat. When would you preheat an oven? A few minutes before you're ready to use it, not right when you're ready to use it. Predates. Which group predates the others? Okay. Humans are dated before dinosaurs. So dinosaur would be before the human, so dinosaur is. Pre-cook. How much time does a pre-cooked meal take to prepare? Okay, pre-cook. Since the pre-cooked meal, so before it, since it is already cooked, before it is already cooked, so a pre-cooked meal would take less time than usual because you wouldn't. It is already prepared. All you do is just kind of like microwave it, so it's took less time than usual. Okay, prejudge a situations before judging the situations. Before you know all the facts, I guess. Why might you buy a pre-made food? Because since it's a pre-made food before cook, because maybe we don't want to buy to cook it ourselves, so we buy already made food. We buy the food that is already made, so we don't have to cook. Okay. Uh, when might you read the preprint of a book before the book is published? Which of these is part of the pre-writing process? Editing would be the part where we're done writing, but we would research. But research is a part of the pre-writing process. Remember, pre mean before, so which mean before writing we would do something, and of course we can't edit. We can't edit the writing because we haven't written it yet. So research. Pre-built. Before building it, so before you take it home, it haven't been built yet. Yes. Pre-screen. When would a group of people pre-screen a movie? Before the film is released to the public, they would want to watch it before. So before the film, its releases, of course. Of course. If a star can only be seen during the pre-dawn hours, when might you be able to see it? If a star can only be seen during the pre-dawn hour, then we might be able to see it at like 4 a.m. Because yeah. Who is usually a king predecessors? A king predecessors. What is predecessors again? King before. Okay, before is his father, not the son. The son is after. Which one is a precursor of the other? Precursor? Precursor to the other would be like before. Which are before? Oh, the horse-drawn buggy, of course. The car is after. Which, when would a biologist try to predict the outcome of her experiments? When she's designing and planning her experiments? Predict. Okay, when she's already done, she would present the result of the experiment, right? But before it, she have to predict, and before it, she have to predict, and when she's predicting, it's when she's designing and planning her experiment, and in that, she's gonna predict. It's not done yet, so it's before. When might someone have a promotion of a heavy storm? When the sky's still clear. Since the sky's still clear, we're gonna have a promotion of a heavy storm. But when the storm is already coming in, then everybody know the heavy storm is coming in. Not that. So that's what we call promotion. I mean pre-motion. Pre-program. Okay. Who might want his electronic device to become pre-programmed? Someone who doesn't have time to set up his own electronics. Since it's set up before, so they don't have to do it again. And since they don't do it, then they don't have time. Okay, precaution against making mistake. Which is a precaution against making mistake. Working here. So we have to be cautioned before. So we have to work very carefully along the way, not fixing the error once it have already happened. If it is already happened, then we wouldn't call it precaution. So a precaution would be working carefully along the way. Prejudice. Why might someone be considered prejudiced about a certain matter? Because she want to wait until she has all the facts? Because she's already made up her mind? What is prejudice again? I'm not so sure. Let's search that. Prejudice. Judice. Prejudice. Prejudice is having or showing a dislike or distrust. A dislike or distrust. Okay. So it will probably be because she's already made up her mind. So if she waited, then it would be after that, right? Who would more likely to be considered precocious? First grader. When might you pre-register for class? When register isn't open yet. So we register before it even open. Now what are preliminary results? The early result of an experiment. If it's the final result, then it would be after, right? And we're done. Exactly, the time spent are 15 minutes, which is smart core of 100, and we have all the questions answered right. Thank you for coming and have a great day.